Let's talk about bananas, the fruit you see every day, whether you're at the market, a grocery store, or even just scrolling through your social feed. Bananas are everywhere, but have you ever stopped to wonder why they're so popular or what it takes to get them from the farm to your table? Most of us walk right past them, tossing a bunch into our cart without a second thought. But there's a lot more to bananas than meets the eye. Behind every banana is a story of hard work, dedication, and opportunity. It's a journey that starts with farmers who rise before dawn, tending to their crops with care and determination. Bananas aren't just a snack, they're a global staple, shipped across continents and enjoyed in nearly every country. The demand for bananas never really slows down, they're a fruit that's always in season somewhere. That's what makes banana farming a solid bet for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's not just about growing fruit, it's about building a livelihood that can support families and communities. Unlike seasonal crops that come and go, bananas are always in style. Breakfast, lunch boxes, smoothies, desserts, or just a quick snack on the go. Their versatility means there's always a market. If you can grow them, you can sell them. The market is massive, steady, and surprisingly resilient, even when other crops struggle. For farmers, that means reliable income and a direct connection to feeding families both locally and around the world. It's a business that truly makes a difference. But let's be real, it's not easy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a shortcut to success. The work is tough and the days can be long. Banana farming takes planning, patience, and a lot of sweat. You'll face challenges, unpredictable weather, soil conditions, pests, and diseases that can threaten your entire crop. But the path is clear if you're willing to learn, adapt, and keep pushing forward. There's always something new to discover, whether it's a better way to plant or a smarter way to protect your harvest. With the right knowledge, you can turn a patch of dirt into a productive, profitable farm. It's about transformation, watching your hard work literally grow before your eyes. Why bananas? Because the potential is real. This is about building a sustainable business, not just selling a few bunches at the market. It's about creating something that lasts. It's about understanding the process from soil to sale, being smart, dedicated, and always looking for ways to improve. Every step matters, from planting to harvesting to getting your bananas to customers. The world needs farmers, people who aren't afraid to work the land, feed communities, and support each other. It's a job with purpose and pride. If you're looking for a challenge with real rewards, stick with me. This journey isn't for everyone, but for those who commit, the payoff is worth it. We're about to peel back the layers on building your own banana empire step by step from the ground up. Ready to get your hands dirty and start something meaningful? Let's dive in and see what it really takes to grow success, one banana at a time. Before you plant anything, you need a plan. Building a banana empire starts long before the first seedling touches the soil. It begins with vision, research, and careful preparation. Start with market research. Who will buy your bananas? Local markets, stores, exporters? Find out what they want and what they pay. Talk to buyers, visit markets, and study trends. Understanding demand helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures your bananas have a place to go once they're harvested. Knowing your customer shapes every decision from variety to farm size. If your market prefers organic or specialty bananas, that changes your approach. Tailor your plans to fit your buyer's needs. Next, choose the right land. Bananas need warmth, moisture, and protection from wind. The right location can make or break your farm's success. Walk the land, check the sun, feel the soil. This is your future office. Notice how water drains, where the wind blows, and how much sunlight the area receives. Get a soil test. It's non-negotiable. You need to know pH, nutrients, and texture. A professional soil analysis will reveal what's missing and what's abundant. Bananas thrive in rich, loamy soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Good soil is the foundation for healthy plants and high yields. If your soil needs work, fix it before you plant. Don't skip this step. Amend the soil with compost or fertilizer as needed. Healthy soil means healthy profits. Now pick your banana variety. Cavendish rules exports, but local types might be better for your market. Each variety has its own strengths and weaknesses. Consider yield, disease resistance, and maturity time. Some bananas grow faster, others resist pests better, and some fetch higher prices. Your research will guide you. Choose wisely. Don't rush this step. The right choice can set you apart from competitors. This decision defines your farm's reputation. The bananas you grow will become your signature in the market. Planning isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation of success. Every great farm starts with a solid blueprint and clear goals. Get these basics right, and you're already ahead. Most failures come from skipping the planning stage. Don't make that mistake. The groundwork you lay now will pay off for years. A well-planned farm is easier to manage and more profitable in the long run. Ready to move from planning to action? With your research and preparation complete, you're set for the next step. Let's get your land ready. The journey to a thriving banana empire begins now. With your plan and land in place, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by clearing the field. Remove weeds, rocks, and debris. Don't cut corners here. Next, break up the soil by plowing or tilling at least a foot deep. This helps roots spread and improves drainage. Enrich the soil with compost or manure following your soil test results. Healthy soil is the secret to great bananas. Mark out your planting spots, 8 to 10 feet apart, and dig pits about 2 feet wide and deep. Set up your irrigation system now, whether it's simple channels or drip lines. Good water access is crucial, especially in dry spells. Preparing the land well sets your farm up for success. Don't rush. This is the foundation for everything that follows. Every hour you invest now saves you headaches later. Once your field is ready, you're set for planting. Let's bring in the banana plants. The real growth starts here. Time to plant. You have two main options: healthy suckers from mature plants or disease-free tissue-cultured plantlets. Suckers are traditional and affordable. Tissue culture offers uniformity and a clean start. Plant at the start of the rainy season for natural moisture unless you have reliable irrigation. Place each plant in the center of its pit, with the root base just below ground level. Backfill with enriched soil and press gently. Roots need room to breathe. Water deeply right after planting to help roots settle. For the first weeks, keep soil moist and protect young plants from harsh sun. Early care is crucial. Think of it as nurturing a baby. Healthy starts mean strong, productive plants. Attention now pays off at harvest. With your plants in the ground, the real work begins. Let's keep them thriving. Here's how. Bananas need consistent care to thrive. Water is key. Keep soil moist, especially during dry spells and fruiting. Drip irrigation is efficient, but deep hand watering works for small farms. Bananas are heavy feeders. Apply potassium-rich fertilizer and compost regularly. Mulch with organic material to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Manage suckers. Keep 1 or 2 strong followers. Remove the rest to focus energy on fruit. Support heavy bunches with poles to prevent stems from snapping. Watch for pests and diseases. Inspect plants often for yellowing leaves, spots, or insects. Good farm hygiene, removing dead leaves and debris, prevents many problems. Use organic or chemical controls only when needed, and always identify the issue first. Healthy plants mean bigger, better harvests. Stay vigilant. Prevention is easier than cure. Consistent care protects your investment. Every day counts in banana farming. With the right routine, you'll see the results at harvest. Let's talk about bringing in those golden bunches. Harvest time is where your hard work pays off. After 9 to 12 months, it's harvest time. Bananas are picked green. Look for plump, rounded fruit and dry flower tips. Harvesting is a two-person job. One cuts the stem, the other catches the bunch to prevent bruising. Handle with care. A single bunch can weigh over 100 pounds. Take bunches to a shaded area, cut into smaller hands and wash them to remove sap and dirt. Clean fruit fetches better prices and lasts longer. Air dry, grade by size and quality, and pack carefully in boxes or crates. Proper handling preserves your hard work and reputation. Good post-harvest care means repeat buyers. From here, your bananas are ready for market. Let's turn your harvest into profit. Here's how to sell smart. Time to make money. First, know your costs. Land, labor, inputs, transport. Set your price to cover costs and make a profit. Don't guess, do the math. Sell directly at markets for higher prices or wholesale for bigger, steady orders. Diversify your sales channels. Don't rely on just one buyer. Think beyond fruit. Sell banana leaves to food vendors, stems for animal feed, and blossoms as a specialty vegetable. Turn byproducts into extra income streams. Intercrop with shade-loving crops like coffee, ginger, or vegetables for added profit and soil health. Make every part of your farm work for you. Smart selling and diversification boost your bottom line. The more value you find, the more resilient your business. With sales sorted, let's talk about scaling up. Ready to grow your banana empire? Here's how to expand. Let's go bigger. Success means it's time to scale. Use ratoon cropping, manage suckers so new stems grow from old roots, speeding up future harvests. As you expand, invest in technology, drip irrigation, small tillers, or soil sensors, save time and boost yields. Hire and train a skilled team. Good people are your best asset. Attend workshops and stay updated on new techniques. Sustainable practices, composting, cover crops, and beneficial insects, keep your soil and business healthy. Healthy soil means better fruit and less reliance on chemicals. Build a business that lasts for generations, not just seasons. Scaling up is about smart systems, not just more land. Invest in your team and your land for long-term success. The bigger you grow, the more impact you make. Ready for the future? Let's wrap up. From dirt to dollars, you've witnessed the incredible journey of banana farming. How a simple patch of land can transform into a thriving business with the right care and dedication. This isn't just a dream or a distant possibility, it's a real, achievable path for anyone willing to put in the effort and learn along the way. You can start small, even with just a few plants, and gradually learn the ropes, gaining valuable experience as you go. Remember, every big and successful farm began with a single plant, a vision, and a lot of determination to see it through. Mistakes and setbacks are part of the process. Let them teach you, adapt, and come back stronger each season. The banana business is full of opportunity, from selling fresh fruit to creating value-added products like banana chips, flour, or even banana-based snacks. Embracing innovation and sustainable practices will set you apart and help your farm thrive for years to come. There's real pride in growing nutritious food and feeding your community, knowing your hard work makes a difference. It's hard work, no doubt, but it's honest, fulfilling, and the rewards are worth every drop of sweat. The land is waiting for you, the market is hungry for quality bananas, and the knowledge you need is out there, ready to be discovered. Take that first step. Do your research, connect with local farmers, seek out mentors, and get your hands in the soil to truly learn. The challenge is real, but so are the rewards, both for you and for your loved ones. Build something sustainable, not just for yourself, but for your family and future generations to come. The world needs more passionate growers like you, ready to make a positive impact. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start your banana journey today, and take that leap of faith. Your future in farming starts now, with every seed you plant and every lesson you learn. Get to work, nurture your dreams, and watch your banana empire grow. Good luck.